checking out the brand new Insta360 RS 1-inch edition. This is the newest camera in their lineup of modular RS cameras, but this looks a lot more like their other ones that you may have seen me review in the past, the Insta360 Insta360 X. It's a trial, the Insta360 X2. This is really cool, and I already got a chance to check this out. I am not doing an unboxing because I was actually on a trip to Italy and I didn't have a chance to film the opening of it, but what's important is it's here and it has made its way around the world and back again to tell the story. Now, what makes this so special is it has a 1-inch sensor that has been co-engineered with Leica. You can shoot up to 6K 360 videos at 30 frames a second, which allows you to do a thing called video reframing. So you basically are filming everything in 360. You don't have to worry about getting the shot because you can later on either use the desktop app or the app on your phone to reframe it and basically reshoot what you already shot. It's incredible. Because this does have the 1-inch sensor, that means it's going to be really great for low light performance with photos and videos. It also has flow state stabilization plus a 360-degree horizon lock. It is IPX3 water resistant, which does not mean that you can submerge it in water, but it will be safe for light rain or water splashes.
I'm not a very good swimmer, but I'm trying my best.
So, don't put it underwater. It's not waterproof. If you're familiar with Insta360 at all, then you're very well aware of the invisible selfie stick. It's so awesome. Now, when you're out filming, you definitely look a little silly and people may make fun of you, but that's okay because little do they know that this camera that you're holding on a very long stick will actually get you some incredible footage when you get back home and edit. That stick will magically disappear in post, and it really is kind of magic if you've never experienced it. The first time you see these shots that you can get with these cameras, it's so mind-blowing. The in-app experience is actually really great when you get used to it. It can be a little confusing at first when you open it up. There is a little tutorial that you can go through, but the more that you use it, the more comfortable that you get and the more incredible things that you can do with the shots that you get. And the best part about it is you can do this all mobile. It's on the go and you can instantly export those and share them. I know, we're getting to you. Shh. So you can sync this camera directly to your phone using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and instantly get all of the content off of it. They also have some really fun inspirations in this thing called Shot Lab. So this will let you shoot a set of clips and it will automatically edit those together using AI. It's really fun because you just shoot some shots and it does all the hard work for you. This is a shot that I filmed while walking around Pompeii, and it's cool because all you have to do is walk at the same sort of speed for about 50 seconds, holding the camera out to your side for several different shots, and it edits it together just like this. They have a few accessories. There is a new quick reader, which I actually don't have, but it allows you to plug it directly into your phone and you can transfer all of the footage directly from the SD card to your device and you won't have to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or kill the battery on your camera. Now, this is the invisible mic cold shoe that you can use with the Rode Wireless Go or the Go 2. And this is just like the invisible selfie stick, but we now have an invisible microphone adapter. This has a little cover on it too to protect the lenses. So here is the actual camera, and like I said, it's modular, so you just pop off this top little piece. This is the 1-inch camera sensor, and that will just directly connect right here into the base of the handheld camera. Oh, whoa! Okay, surprise. So everything just comes apart, thus it being modular, and this is where you have your USB-C and your SD card, and if you want to plug that right back in, you just slide it in just like so, and you can reassemble and go out and shoot. This is probably one of the most important pieces is this little lens cover. I always make sure I have this with me because you do want to protect these lenses because they are 360, so if there are some smudges or scratches, that could affect your shots. So protect the lenses at all cost. Get your power button, our record. So here's a little LCD. This will give you access to different menu options. You could do time lapse, time shift, loop recording, burst, star lapse, interval, HDR photos, regular photos, and of course, just video. I pretty much just use this a lot for video, but it is cool that you can do all of these other things with it. So when I was in Italy, I just kind of went around. I didn't really make it a thing. I just kind of had the camera, I was filming. So now that I'm back, I get a chance to go through and look at all of the footage that I shot, which is the most exciting thing. So taking a look at the app, it's really cool because you have access to all of your content and it's very easy to edit. So let's find a little clip here so I can show you guys what it's like. This is kind of what you'll see. You see kind of this 360 view, and you can change it from 9:16, 16:9, 1:1, and even this ultra widescreen, which is really cool. But I love that I can just zoom around and reframe whatever I want. So when you click this little plus button, this brings you a few other options. So you can automatically go to tiny planet, ultra wide, wide, linear, narrow, and this will give you different types of views. So each one will look a little bit different. Look at me swimming, I'm just kicking my little leggies. But this is probably one of my favorite things, is they have this viewfinder. So basically I can go and reframe this entire shot by just moving my camera around. So I'm gonna push record, and right now I'm basically filming. So it's like I'm there, but I'm not. I can zoom in, I can do a little reframe, see some boats, I can go over here, see the boat that I was on, do a little zoom out, do a little zoom, super zoom in, see where our boat captain is, don't know, he's not there. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm right here, down swimming. Look at this face. I'm distressed because I am not a good swimmer, but I can go over here, look at the view, I can zoom in, see that boat, zoom back out. So it's like I'm a cinematographer of my own shot. Like I was here and now I'm reshooting it again. I'm spinning all the way around. There's the boat. Where'd I go? Where am I? There I am. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Okay, export. I'm gonna do a flat so you can export to 360 as well. But since I just did all of those little shots to it, I'm gonna click export. And now it's exporting and I have a video that I just filmed myself. It's so cool. They call it reframing, which kind of makes sense because you're basically going back in time to what you shot already and reframing the shot. So now I'm gonna go outside and test out some of the Shot Lab features. These are so much fun. I can just shoot a bunch of things and then it automatically in the app edit them together. The first thing that I'm gonna test out since we're out here is the flash. I've tested this out on my RS review, but it's so much fun and it's so easy to do. You basically just extend your selfie stick, hold the camera to your back, walk, and then when you import it into the app, that's where you can make the edits and make yourself go really, really fast wherever you want. So cool. Wish I could do it in real life, but we can't. Carry on. That's it. Let's find another location. This one that we're doing is called Flip My Day, and I've wanted to try this for a really long time, but I haven't had anybody around to help. So Jake, let's go flip our day. So that was the first look at the new Insta360 RS 1-inch edition. I am having so much fun with this camera. I can't wait to take it on more adventures. If you guys would like to get more information about this camera or purchase it, I will put a link in the description. A huge thank you to Insta360 for partnering with me on this video. I'm such a huge fan of their cameras and have been for so long, so I always love testing out the latest and greatest. See you guys in the next one. Bye!